This morning my wife pointed out that we have a leaky faucet here in the garage. It's accumulating quite a bit of water here in the corner, which is right next to the basement. So we need to get that repaired. That's up next here on Bud's Odd Jobs. So I got the handle off, and as you can see, there's quite a bit of water leaking here. So I'll need to turn the water off, and we'll be right back. Okay, water is off. Let's go ahead and turn the valve open. Still got a little pressure on there. Alright, so looks like the issue is on this end. We need to replace that gasket, so I'll see if I can this rubber washer, so I'll see if I can find one comparable size and we'll put that on. So that looks like the appropriate size. I'll go ahead and put that back together. I think I have another O-ring this size, so hopefully that's good enough. What I'll do is put a little bit of petroleum jelly, coat it on that. That'll help seal. And we'll stick this back together and see how she does. Alright, that's nice and snug. Before I put that back on, I'm going to turn the water back on, see if we have any leaks around here, and then we'll put the spigot back on. I'll be right back once we turn the water on. Okay, the pressure is back on, and the handle is now dry. Nothing leaking at this point, so looks like we're good to go. Let's go ahead and put the spigot handle back on. And we'll tighten her up here. Hey, if you hadn't had the opportunity yet, make sure you subscribe. And when you subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell. By hitting that notification bell, you'll be ensured that you receive notice anytime I post new content. And that way you won't miss any of the new materials when they come available. Thanks for watching today. See you next time.